a reality. Deep technologies are becoming a reality. And also, one example I can give you what my plans. Andhra Pradesh is having some advantages. One is Sriharikota satellite launching pad for India. I wanted now Honorable Prime Minister under the Government of India has allowed private investment in space technology. We wanted to create space technology, space city, aerospace, defense and civilian, huge demand in India. We want to go for aerospace and also electronics. Earlier, India was importing. Today, we are exporting. There is huge demand globally, even for electronics production. And also drones. Without drones, nowadays we are all watching, drone is very, very essential to war or otherwise to have civilian applications, so many things. We created a drone city. Automobile, new technologies are emerging, green energy, EV vehicles, everything there we are working. So, Andhra Pradesh is very strong in green energy. I have seen in my life, there was no phone. Only affluent people, 5-6 villages or in a town, 1 or 2 phones. In 1989, when I started 1978 as MLA, 89 I contested from Kuppam. For the last 9 times I'm winning there. I announced in Kuppam in one public meeting, I am going to bring electronic exchange. Then my opposition criticized me, how he is going to bring electronic exchange? Manual, because we had only 20 phones in the constituency itself. That was the issue now. Everybody in my constituency today, they are having cell phones, smartphones, everybody is operating. Today, if you can see, in my government, all services I wanted to provide through WhatsApp governance. That is what IT Ministry has started. It is going on as on today extremely well. By August 15th, 100% services will be online. Nobody need to come to office. There is one more advantage in this. I can analyze through AI tool what type of complaints, who is complaining, whom they are complaining. Then I can take so many actions. Now here I wanted to request all of you. This is the ecosystem we wanted to create. There, quantum computing is very much needed. As Kamakoti has rightly mentioned, by January 1st, Quantum Computing Center will operate from Amaravati. This is where beginning of Quantum Valley. Then, not only starting with quantum computing, you have to bring ecosystem. We have to bring use cases. He rightly mentioned 100 use cases by August 15th, 2026. That was the beginning only. I wanted to see, as on today, very interestingly, if you can go through, average AI usage. World average 31%. India average 65%. Here, top AI usage, China, India, USA, Europe. I am confident China population will reduce, India population will increase. More AI utilization will be India. That is going to happen very soon. I am 100% confident on that. if you talk all these things. If you see here, 92% of Indian knowledge